Hey, it's Patrick from JMP Cycles, and today we're going to be changing the primary fluid on our 2003 Dyna. So we're going to take a look at the tools we need and we'll get started. Alright, tools we're going to need are a T40 Torx with a 3/8 ratchet, a T27 Torx with a 1/4 inch ratchet, and a torque wrench. So the first thing we're going to need to do is drain the fluid out of this. Right underneath here, it's a torque socket, it's a T40, and we're going to go ahead and pull that out and drain the fluid out of here. You want to check out the top of your plug there. It's got a magnet in it. A little bit of fiber material from the clutch is pretty normal, but if you have big metal hunks or something in there, you've got a problem, you need to take this apart and check it out. Okay, well that's draining. We're going to switch to our T27 Torx. We'll take these out, get our derby cover off, just so we can get it ready to fill up once we put our plug back in. So the oil's drained out of there. We're going to go ahead and put our plug back in. I like to put a little bit of Teflon tape on the threads to help it, to keep it from leaking. And then we're going to fill this particular model takes 26 ounces. We're going to fill this up with fluid. But if you don't have a way to measure, just fill it up to the bottom of your derby cover there. When the bike's straight up and down, fill it up to this bottom level here without it running over while the bike's straight up and down, and you'll be good. So something to make this a little bit easier, I always put the plug on the tool. It just makes it easier to get started up in that hole. Otherwise it's kind of a blind hole and you're trying to use that little plug, put that little plug up in there. Putting it on the tool just makes it easier. All right, we're ready to add fluid in. Like I said, I like using these fast funnels. Less than $2, you get a pack of these paper funnels. You can fit them in your jacket pocket or in your bag really easy. We're gonna use one here and put our fluid in. Remember, we're just going up to the bottom of the derby cover hole there. All right, primary oil is all in there, and we're gonna put the derby cover back on. Make sure when you order your primary oil, order a new derby cover gasket. It's cheap insurance, and if you don't, it's probably gonna leak anyway. So, new derby gasket. So now that we have all the screws started, we're going to want to go in a star pattern to tighten them down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to torque them to 100 inch-pounds. The max being 108. There's a range there in the manual. I like to use 100. As simple as that. You need to change that primary fluid about every 5,000 miles. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to us. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment in the comment section below. You can always talk to us on our 800 number or simply chat with us online. Now, go work on those motorcycles.